Today is Friday the 25th of July 2025. I'm sitting here in a Skoda Octavia 2-liter diesel and waiting for the meter to change to 400,000 kilometers, which must be around 250,000 miles. What a number! Okay, it's almost done. 400,000 kilometers. One more kilometer and that's it. Holiday 400,000.
What a lucky coincidence. Look at this. The day trip meter here shows 400 kilometers and the total is 400,000 kilometers. And also something remarkable, the motor is still the original as well as the gearbox. It's a DSG, a double shift gearbox, has never been replaced or repaired, as well as the turbocharger. It's still the original. That's very nice.
Yeah, 400,000 kilometers, 400 kilometers on the day trip. That's nice. Okay, well, let's see how long it's gonna last for the next couple of years.